Good morning for the Thursday, November 14th. The chart we're looking at today is Biogen, BIIG. Again, this is a daily chart, right? And if you recall, we put on a trade yesterday at the price of 235. I got long at 235, if you recall. 235.67. Right, it was actually a penetration up through this high. I waited for the penetration, waited for a little pullback, right, and got long. 235.67 is where I'm currently long. All right, and that first profit objective is way up here, if you recall, right? That is 247.23, and then at 249.63, looking for what, 974 and 12-point move. I know that's a big move. We'll see what happens. It's starting to break out. The market hit, what, 241 today? 240.84. So we're up about 5 points. There's nothing wrong with moving a stop to maybe break even now. I mean, look at it. If you're long at 235.67, the market's run up over 5 points. Again, nothing wrong with moving those stops to break even or locking in a little bit, maybe going below today's low of 236.5 to maybe 236.30, locking in a little something. But again, it's starting to move in our favor. Well, it has moved in our favor quite a bit. Now it's just all about managing it. All right, let's move on to the E-minis. I mean, the E-minis have cracked above their all-time high. We are in new territory. Just an amazing thing. Yesterday was a very powerful day. Yesterday was a bullish engulfing pattern, right? Closing in the top quarter, right up in here, just moving much higher. I mean, it's just an amazing thing. So I'm actually going to look to be a buyer here on just a little pullback. I am using yesterday's low of 1754.25, right, as a level to buy really anywhere in here on any little dip, preferably back to the old high right in here of 1774.5. Now I'm talking a little position, not like major. I mean, to be a big buyer up in here, it would be very difficult, but for something small in here, maybe selling some puts on any little movement down, but again, just sticking your foot in the water here, not anything major. But this market is just roaring. As you can see, every single time we pull back between the blue action zone, the market rallied up nicely. I mean, yes, these pull back a little further, but still contained within that gray action zone between the 50 and exponential, right? 50, gray action zone. Big pullbacks right in here, right? But into logical support levels, right? And that's what we're looking for. This one was minor, right? Pullback, right? Blue action zone, caught it. And again, the software works phenomenal. It's great eye candy because it really, a quick glance of a chart shows you what you should be looking to do when the market pulls back to appropriate levels, right? I mean, look at here. The white bars here denoted you had an inside pattern right in here. Once the market broke up through that high, you had a nice run up. So right now, we're at all-time new highs. And again, I think on a little dip in here, I think one could be a buyer. But again, very small position. So hope that helps. Bye for now. Have a profitable day.